Power up. Oh my god, he's what?
Rotation. Alright, and why is there a balloon on the taxi? Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. Sierra India Alpha 494 can go ahead and get out the airspace. Yeah, just chase him out there. There you go.
I get out of here. Yeah, you're scared now, huh? I can confirm that he is indeed scared. Oh, look at that. I got him. Sir, pull your vehicle over. Sir, pull your vehicle over. Your final warning.
That's not possible.
Or ATC tower, no response. Going to leave him for the cops to handle. What? Parking the right way is lame. Wait for it.
You completely ran over a gate.
I didn't.
A couple of videos. But you're reversing.
I know. Trust me. I know what to do. We're gonna do this. We're gonna stop. We're gonna go full power. Oh, come on.
Tail strike.
Come on, go down, go down, go down. Go down. Oh my god. Got it. Wait for it. Wait. Once I stop, I'm gonna show you how the real pros bark. Right. I'm just gonna back up here. Oh, no. Okay. Alright, I can't confirm. I just ran over at least 7 cars.
You did. You hit a bunch. You also hit a bunch of J aircraft.
Roger that.
And you ran to the terminal, and you ran to the gate, and you just
I didn't. No, I didn't. You saw nothing, okay?
And you're on the street. And another tail strike. And you're back through the building again. Ran over a bunch of cars. Press the brakes. There you go.
I did. Hey, I know. Trust me. I know what to do. Wait, stop. Okay.
And you just hit another DA-62.
I'm not done yet, okay? Just wait. Right, here we go. I'm backing up again. Okay?
Okay, the food just crashed into the building. What are you doing?
Sir, Foos cannot hear you. They are, their ears are very, very small.
Yep.
Needs direct parking. We can park backwards, am I right?
Yep.
And boom. Stop. Oh my god. Okay, stop. Engines off. Boom. Parking brake is on, and engines are off. I just said.
So basically, they're exiting and boarding through toilet class.
Exactly. I mean, who doesn't love toilet class? Am I right? Like, come on. Sir, I'm requesting some chips and some avocado sauce for my passengers.
Roger that. Yeah.
And I also see the foo that messed me up earlier. Requesting to go and crash into him.
First of all, your chips are coming on the way in the gate. Second of all,
wait, no. What kind are they?
Potato chips.
No, this is a disgrace. I need tortilla chips.
Oh, tortilla chips. Alright.
Yeah.
We'll send the potato chips back and we'll get the tortilla chips ready.
No. Bring the potato chips to me, personally.
Okay.
Bring the tortilla chips to the passengers as planned. Okay?
Yeah.
Then bring Doritos. Bring Doritos to the ground staff. Okay? And I need them to put each Dorito in the bag somewhere on the tarmac. That will run over each and every one of them. Like a nice crack sound, you know?
So you want me to give you the potato chips, you to give the passengers the tortilla chips, and you to give the ground staff the Doritos to run over. Roger that.
Thank you very much.
I'll send that.
So, I expect next second delivery.
Say again.
I expect next second delivery.
Roger that.
Okay. It's been 1 second, bro. Where are my chips?
They're coming right through the jetway. You see? Look at that,
Yeah,
right beside you. You have a bunch of...
You mean the jetway going to the toilets?
Yep, to the toilets, and then they'll feed the passengers the tortillas first, and then give you the bag of potato chips.
Well, they better hurry, because that foo is getting away. He's... Okay.
Roger, we have the Doritos to the ground staff. You can see there's a whole bunch of things to the right.
I'm going to begin cracking over each and every one of them.
Roger, taxi via Bravo 1, Echo 1. Wait, let's restart that. Taxi via Mike 1, Sierra, Bravo, Echo, Lima, Yankee, Foxtrot, Alpha, Tango.
Crack. Hey, crack. Slappy smack, slap, flap, crack. Crack. So, I'm gonna taxi via Alpha Delta Bravo Whiskey Yankee Hotel India Fokker Juliana.
Roger, read back correct.
Dude, you might as well just call me Joseph because I'm stalling. That's a tone joke. Jesus Christ, he's lagging out for me. He's like doing barrels. I'm doing barrels now. Wee.